For this video, I will be recording for chapter 10 assignment. I have chosen the grade level of preschool and kindergarten. It goes both ways. So obviously for the class, it would be more of a welcoming song. The device, it would be for memory. I would show a video of it, but as they soon would get it, then I would just do it verbally. The way I'm doing it, I'm doing the 7 days of the week, just for memorization and for them to learn their days of the week. All right, so it goes days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.